All right, y'all, for day 12 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, we've got Adela Cook's barbecue chicken sliders. Let me show you how she makes them. All right, she adds about a pound and a half of chicken breast. Then she seasons the chicken up with some salt, and she says to generously season, which we always do. Black pepper, some garlic powder. Whew. Oh, that's when you know it's enough seasoning. She adds paprika. I have this smoked paprika from Trader Joe's. All right, then she adds some minced garlic. I'm just gonna use the rest of this because I don't have a whole lot in here. It's probably like a tablespoon's worth. So she does add a white onion. I thought I had one and I do not, so I'm not putting the onion in there, but she does add one white onion. Just for shits and gigs, I'm gonna add this Loubier Gourmet's barbecue rub. She doesn't do this, but I'm really like dying to try this. And then barbecue sauce. I'm gonna use this Loubier mild barbecue sauce that I just got. She uses Kinder's, but I think just use whatever you prefer. She said to do 3/4 a cup of barbecue sauce and then I think a cup of water. I'm just gonna do like half of this bottle, because I like things real saucy. All right, just some water. All right, and you're done. Put the lid on. I'm cooking this on high for 3 to 4 hours, or you can cook it low for 6 to 8, and I'll see you when it's ready. All right, it's been about 4 hours. This is ready to be shredded. All right, we've got this barbecue all nice and shredded up. It smells delicious. The flavor of that, holy crud. Use this Hawaiian rolls, of course. Grab you a serrated knife and we're just gonna cut through the middle of these. Perfect timing. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Oh yeah, perfect cut. Now we're gonna add the barbecue chicken. All right, these are nice and covered. She adds some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm using this Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese. These are like thick boys. All right, that fit freaking perfectly. Take some of your barbecue sauce on the top. It's nice and spread. Yes, I'm spreading with a fork. So me. All right, now put the lid on. All right, now we're gonna cook this covered on 350 for like 20, 25 minutes. I don't know. I'll see you when it's ready. All right, y'all, these are ready and they look absolutely delicious. Look at the cheese melted down the sides of this. All right, let's dig in. Oh, you guys, so cheesy. That is absolutely delicious. Look at the cheesiness, the flavor of the barbecue chicken. These are so good. You know what it needs? Of course, I gotta get some ranch on there. Gotta go make these.